All right, we're back on site here at the Juge Homes new build that we've been doing. We're still doing the groundworks. Big day today. Theo has done his own groundworks all by himself. I mean, we kind of showed him what to do, but we left him completely by himself, and I'm very impressed with his work. Let's come over here and we're going to show you what he's done. So he started over here, he did the sewage lift station first, dug down the storm sump, started piping his 3-inch pipe over here. He's got a floor drain here. He put one of these Sioux Chief ones that it's adjustable. They're actually quite nice. This is the first time we've ever actually used one of these, but they're quite nice. You just adjust them, the concrete guy can do that, and then they go in after. We'll show you the final product of those. He's got his condensate drain for the hot water tank, another condensate drain for the furnace over here. And if you don't know how we do those, we come off the 3-inch P-trap here, and we take a 3-inch double TY, and we send one over to the furnace and then another one over to the hot water tank there. So after the floor drain, just keep coming here with his 3-inch drain for his 2 bathrooms over here. Again, we had showed you this in a previous video. If you haven't watched it, check it out. But they pre-graveled everything because there was so much mud and it was super soupy down here, so they graveled everything. Huge pain in the ass for Theo, but he got through it. Did all this by himself, and I think it was about 3 days-ish. I don't know exactly. But he came over here, had his 3-inch Y. This is a 3-piece bathroom here. We got a 3x2 double Y. We always like to tell our guys, and him especially, we always run our trunk line first. We do all our 3-inch work. So he did his 3-inch, put his 3-inch Y on. He finished the 3-inch going to the other bathroom first, and then he came back and did his branches. That's how we like to do things. So he put this here, he put a cap here, and then came back and did this. 3-inch straight to the toilet. He lined it up perfectly with his toilet center mark. We went through all this with him before and showed him how to read the blueprints and all that stuff. We marked everything out for him. We mapped out this whole thing, and we left him by himself, and he killed it. So he came over here, 3x2 double Y. We got a tub over there. We like to pre-put the P-trap in first, and he's got the sonotube here. So we put a sonotube around it, and we don't glue this vertical portion in. That way we can install the trap later quite easily. And then with the 2-inch, we got our wet vent here. This is the vanity. This is the wet vent for the whole bathroom. And then this is going to pick up the vanity and also vent this whole bathroom. And he kept on coming. And the beauty about this is you got one straight shot with 145 from the sewage lift station to the toilet. So if you ever have any issues with this line, very unlikely because there's lots of grade on it, perfect 1/4 inch per foot, and 145 and 1 Y off your 3-inch toilets. So there's minimal fittings. We try to plan that way as much as possible. So we came over here. Again, 3x2 double Y. These are super basic bathrooms, just 2 3-piece, good start for him. Got a 2-inch shower drain, same thing with the sonotube and the P-trap. And then same thing, vanity, wet vent, and it's gonna vent the whole bathroom. And that's it for this groundworks. All right, thanks for watching. I just want to give Theo a quick handshake here. Hey, Theo, thanks so much for doing such a great job. You're going to be doing the rest of this house, so stay tuned, and Theo's going to kill it on the rest of this job.